So my name is Jagjeet Singh and I'm going to explain my this assignment. So here I have taken the two multi-layer switches and attached three switches here and three switches here to these multi-layer switches. Multi-layer three switches which is acting as a router, and I have created these six VLANs on this switch, this switch, this switch and this switch, and these four VLANs over this switch and rest on this rest of the switches. So I'm going to show you on this business headquarter, and the command is do show brief. So you can see that this is my VLAN 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and these all are active. And over here do show VLAN brief. So these are the 30, 35, which these are the 30, 35, 40 and 50. So these are all active. So after that I'm going to show you the trunking. So the command is do show trunk. Oh sorry, do show interface trunk. So you can see that my all these port channels. So I have created this port channel 1 2 3 to connect this multi-layer 3 switch to this switch, and I have created a port channel 4 to connect this multi-layer 3 switch to this multi-layer 3 switch, and created these three port channels, the name is 5 6 and 3 to create these multi-layer 3 switch to these switches. So you can see that here uh, all the port channels are on, and the status is trunking, so they are trunking successfully. And over here also do show interface trunk. So you can see here the port 1 2 3 4, and this is the 1 2 3 and 4, they are all on and they are trunking. So after that I'm gonna show. So I have created the port channel. I'm gonna show you the status of all the port channel. You can see that they are link all the link of these port channels are up, and you can see also here the port channel 1 is up, and over here the port channel 3 4 5 6, they are all are up, which is good. So after that I have made these two multi-layer 3 switches the root bridge for all these VLANs. I'm going to show you. So the command is do show spanning tree. So you can see here uh, so my this VLAN 35 is acting as a root bridge. So this is the root bridge, and this is similar for all the VLANs. VLAN 30 the root bridge, and VLAN uh, 30 is here, 35 is here, 40 is here, this is the root bridge. So same thing here, the commands do show spanning tree. So all these VLANs, this is the root bridge for all the VLANs, the 10 10 5, this is the root bridge, 15 20. So after that I'm going to show you the routing on this business headquarter. So the command is do show routing table. Do show IP route. Do show IP route. So you can see here I am connected to engineer and test, which is multi-layer 3 switch, uh, by using the port channel 4. So over here the port channel 4, and this is my IP address of this second one multi-layer switch, which is engineer and test. So all these are the networks of my all the VLANs up to 5 10 20 25. These are the IP address of my all these VLANs, and this one these are all the networks of my all the VLANs, and this one is the network of which is 1.0, this one, and 2.0 this one, which is connecting by this multi-layer switch to this multi-layer switch by the port channel 4. And I'm going to show you, and this thing is also same here. Do show IP route, you can see here. So here is my IP address of my all the VLANs, which is 30, 35, 40 and 45, and the neighboring is 46 2. So here you can see that this is the network configuration of the port channel to make the neighboring of this multi-layer switch to this business headquarter multi-layer switch. So I'm going to show you a routing table of this one. The command is do show IP route. So you can see this is the static routing which I have created here to, so that all the traffic should be go here from this to this server. And I also created the static routing over here also. So I have done the neighboring of these two routers using the network this one, and also neighboring of this one using this network. So you can see here this network is here and 16 this network is here. So I'm going to show you the one thing more. The command is do show run. So you can see here these are all the networks which are related to which I assigned on this one, and the 1.0 is this network which is connecting this multi-layer switch to this router, and this 5, 10, 20, 25 are the networks of these VLANs, and this one is 2.0 which is here, which is connecting my which I have done the neighboring of this multi-layer switch to this multi-layer switch to send that, so that they can be easily reachable. So I have assigned the router ID to this multi-layer switch, which is 333. So I'm only able to assign this router ID and assign this OSPF by giving the command no switch port. So firstly I assign the command no switch port, then assign the IP address to this port channel. So after that I gave the command IP routing to enable the routing on this multi-layer switch. So after giving this command, it is started acting as a router. So then I assign the router ID to this multi-layer switch, and then assign all the networks over here. So all these networks, this one and this one network, same thing is here on this multi-layer switch. Do show run. So here is my all the networks, and one thing more, the ports which are not in use, I have also enable the switch mode trunk. No, switch mode I have enabled the uh, no, not on this one. So these are my all the networks. So over here, so over here you can see here on my all multi-layers, on my all switches, the command is do show run. So you can see that the interfaces which are not in use, I have enabled the spanning tree port fast and enable the spanning tree board guard. BP guard enabled on the all the interfaces which are not in use on all these switches. So now I'm going to check the working of this assignment. So you can see there. So this one is pinging successfully, you can see here. So this one to this one, it's pinging. This one to this one, it's pinging successfully. So this one to this one pinging successfully. So all the assignment is working very well, and my port channels are also up. So you can see that all the PCs are able to ping these PCs, and all these PCs, and this server is able to ping each of the PCs. So the thing is, the all this assignment is working good. So thanks for watching the video. Have a good day.